guess what, guys? So I'm hungry. Pero what's in my bag right now is a Supremo Barber Shop. But here's the twists. Since sometimes I don't know what to eat and where. So right now, I'm here. I decided to clock it because I'm hungry. So I ordered the chick rice bowl, buy one take one. That's one. So this time I will not click it, but I will clock it. I'm waiting for my order, and I hope I will like it. And let's see. May dumaan. May dumaan na tao. Wait for it. Well, aside from clock it, I have Bodito Giant in my left and clock it in my right. At the back, the barber shop, and in front of me, a body massage. There are Watsons there, and then Robinson's Easy Mart in there. Natatak pa siya ng po. And there's a Minute Burger there. While I'm waiting for my order. Boring. This is so funny. Like I've ordered one, but it's a buy one take one pala. Legit. Nakala ko isang order lang, it's a buy one take one. So I have one and another one. Ano to, magmumukbang? Woo! Magmumukbang pala talaga ang target ni Idol. Ay na tayo. So, dalawa ang kakainin ko ngayon. Siyempre, thank you Lord. Kain tayo guys. Kaya ko kaya maubos to? Dalawa? Hindi talaga siya chicken meat. Punta na lang. Bumili ako ng mismo. Dahil wala akong inumin. Wala silang free water dito. Huwag niyo ako bantayan. Update ko kayo pag naubos ko to. Cut ko muna. Para ako nasa loob ng... So I remove my cup. And I finished the first one. Down to the last one, the second one. Let's do it. Dami pala. Ba't naman ang dami? Ang hingay. Kasi nasa gilid tayo ng kasada. Promise. Kapulog muna. Muna ako. Change background. Mainit eh. Lumipit ako sa mainit. Pero pagka-debut ko kanina. Ano ba? Ang hirap ubusin. Hartaw. Wala. Naubos ko. Kasi, bilang naman ako, diba? Almost everyone. Like, ba't ka mag-assign ng pagkain? Maraming nagugutom. Yan lang guys. Yan lang.